Hi family, welcome to Nastery's channel. In our today's video, we shall be covering 20 breastfeeding essentials that are extremely useful and that you should know about, especially if you're a first-time mom. If this is your first time in this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and remember to tap the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started with our today's video. So for every breastfeeding essential I will mention, I will link them in the video description below. So kindly check them out if you are interested in any of them. So number one are nursing bras. Bras that are specifically designed for breastfeeding can make it easier to nurse your baby and can provide support for your breasts. Number two are nursing tops. These are tops that have easy access for breastfeeding and can be convenient for nursing in public. Number three are nursing pads. These pads can be placed inside your bra to absorb any leaking milk and protect your clothing. Number four are nursing pillows. And a nursing pillow can help support your baby and support them at the right height for breastfeeding. And this can actually help you to prevent issues like backaches, while breastfeeding. Number five are breast pumps or a breast pump. A breast pump can be useful for expressing milk and storing it for later use. Number six are bottles and nipples. If you plan on bottle feeding expressed milk, you'll need bottles and nipples for your baby. Number seven are breast milk storage bags. These bags are specifically designed for storing expressed breast milk. Number eight, a nipple cream. This is especially useful for first-time moms, and a nipple cream can help soothe and moisturize sore nipples, and especially for those moms who get cracked nipples or the sore nipples, the nipple cream can be quite useful. Number nine are breast pads. Similar to nursing pads, these pads can be placed inside your bra to absorb any leaking milk. A nursing cover can provide privacy and discretion when breastfeeding in public. Number 12 is a nursing chair or stool. This is a comfortable chair or stool that can make breastfeeding sessions more comfortable for you. So you need a nursing chair or a stool so that you're able to breastfeed more comfortably and even enjoy the whole process. Number 13 are nursing scarves. Nursing scarves can be used in place of a nursing cover and can also double up as a fashion accessory. Number 14 is a nursing tracker app. This is an app that can help you track your breastfeeding sessions and can be helpful for keeping track of feedings and identifying any patterns. Number 15 is supportive friends and family. So having a support system of friends and family who can offer encouragement and help can make breastfeeding easier. So ensure you have somebody who can support you or somebody who can actually help you out with the baby. It is quite important. Number 16, breastfeeding friendly clothing. This is a no-brainer. Clothing that is easy to nurse in can make breastfeeding easier and more convenient. Number 17 are breast milk storage containers. These containers specifically designed for storing expressed breast milk in the refrigerator or freezer and can be quite helpful. Number 18 are cooler bags with ice pack. A cooler bag with an ice pack can be useful for transporting expressed breast milk when you are away from home. So especially if you've traveled and you've expressed your breast milk, then a cooler bag with an ice pack can come in quite handy. Number 19 are a nursing timer. This is a timer that can help you track how long your baby has been nursing on each side, because if you nurse for for a very short period of time, then the baby is not getting adequate nutrition. And it is quite important to know how long have I been breastfeeding on one side so that you can change to the other side. Last but not least, number 20, nursing friendly accessories. And these are accessories such as nursing ponchos or shawls that can provide privacy and discretion when breastfeeding in public. And this can also be used in place of the nursing covers, or they can also be referred as nursing covers. So guys, that marks the end of the list, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can be able to view it, more people can be recommended for this video, and so that they can be helped. Subscribe, because in this channel we cover a lot of such videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my